Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a cube. First, gently remove your new cube from its packaging, taking care not to damage any components. Next, thoroughly inspect all 6 sides to confirm there are no imperfections or loose parts. Verify that all the colored stickers or tiles are firmly in place. Finally, collect any additional items that came with your cube, such as a display stand or a small bottle of lubricant, as these will be useful later. Now, let's move on to fine-tuning your cube. Carefully remove the center caps on each of the 6 faces to expose the adjustment screws underneath. Using a small screwdriver, you can slightly tighten or loosen these screws to achieve your preferred turning tension. A quarter turn in either direction is usually a good starting point. After adjusting, apply just 2 or 3 drops of specialized cube lubricant into the gaps between the pieces. Then make several turns to distribute it evenly. Once lubricated, it's time to break in your cube. Spend about 10 to 15 minutes performing full solves, allowing the lubricant to spread and the internal mechanisms to settle. Pay close attention to how the cube feels. Notice if any layers are catching or if the turning is inconsistent. If necessary, make very small, incremental adjustments to the screw tensions, perhaps an eighth of a turn at a time, until the cube feels perfectly smooth and responsive for your solving style. To keep your cube in top condition, regular maintenance is key. Use a soft, dry cloth to wipe down the exterior surfaces and remove any dust or grime after each use. Depending on how often you solve, relubricate your cube every 2 to 4 weeks to maintain its smooth turning. Always store your cube in a protective bag or on a dedicated stand to prevent damage. Keep it away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures, which can affect the plastic and stickers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.